Hi, in this video, I'll give you a quick overview of Symbaloo PRO Workspaces and explain how it can help you organize your classroom, school, or district. Our newest release makes it easier than ever to work together with others and share your content with students or colleagues. We have recently added the new Groups feature to ensure that you are able to deliver the right content in the right place, at the right time, to the right person. And now, every educator can sign up for a Symbaloo Pro account and receive their own Symbaloo domain. For example, washingtonuni.symbaloo.com. Having your own domain makes it simple to share your webmixes and tiles with anyone. You will, of course, still have the option to keep your webmixes private in your own My Symbaloo workspace, which is visible only to you. Under the Workspace settings link in the header, you will be able to see which workspaces you have access to, and you will also be able to manage each workspace with their own sets of users and groups.